Hello student. Today our revision chapter is chapter number 2, inverse trigonometry function. In this revision, આ રિવિઝનની અંદર આપણે રિવાઇઝ કરીશું ફોર્મ્યુલાને યાદ રાખવાની ટેકનિક્સ અને chapter number 1, that in that chapter inverse, that means 1 onto an inverse. Now chapter number 2. In chapter number 2, આપણાને first of all 0 to 90 degree નું ટેબલ આવડવું જોઈએ. First of all 0 to 90 degrees નું ટેબલ આવડવું જોઈએ. After table આપણાને આવડવું જોઈએ little triangle. Suppose this is the triangle and this is the angle. So this is adjacent, this is opposite, and this is hypotenuse. Now from this little triangle, sin theta is what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is what? Opposite upon adjacent. And whenever you know sin, cos and tan, the remaining three automatic આપણાને આવડી જાય છે. Now, the first formula for inverse trigonometry function, that is sin inverse minus x, that is minus sin inverse x. Now, this formula is related with sin cosec inverse minus x, that is minus cosec inverse x, and tan inverse minus x, that is minus tan inverse x. Student, જ્યારે sin of, cos of, sin inverse of, cos inverse of, in this of, whenever there is minus, if it is sin inverse, cosec inverse, tan inverse minus, it becomes like this. Same way, whenever cos inverse minus x, sec inverse minus x, cot inverse minus x, this becomes pi minus cos inverse x, pi minus sec inverse x, and pi minus cot inverse x. Now this is off. Whenever off is minus, then in inverse trigonometry function, this is like this. હવે ફોર્મ્યુલા કેવી રીતે બને છે એ રેગ્યુલર આપણે લેક્ચર્સ ની અંદર એક્સપ્લેન કરેલું છે, પણ યાદ રાખો this is for inverse. If it is simple function, then odd and even formula. If it is simple function, then odd and even formula. Sin is the odd function, cosec is the odd function, tan is the odd function, cot is also odd function, and the formula of odd function is minus sin theta, minus cosec theta, minus tan theta, and minus cot theta. As it is, cos is the even function, so if it is even function, cos of minus theta is cos theta, sec of minus theta equals to sec theta. So student, whenever there is in of minus, whenever the function is simple, then this is the way to reduce minus in off term. Whenever function is inverse, and in the off term there is a minus, this is a way to reduce minus inside of off. So student, this is the first formula, sin inverse minus x, that is minus sin inverse x, cosec tan same. Cos inverse minus x, that is pi minus cos inverse x, sec and cot is same. In simple function, sin of minus theta, there is no inverse, sin of minus theta, that is minus sin theta, and tan, cot and cosec remains same. Cos of minus theta, that is cos theta, same as sec of minus theta, that is sec theta. तो first of all, अगर sin of, cos of, sin inverse of, cosec inverse of માં minus છે, તો first of all satisfy that minus according to formula, પછી જ આપણો sum આગળ વર્ક કરી શકે. Now after this, our second part is inverse. Sin inverse x, that is sin inverse x, that is cosec inverse 1 upon x, double implies cosec inverse x equal to sin inverse 1 upon x. Same way, cos inverse x equal to sec inverse 1 upon x, double implies sec inverse x equals to cos inverse 1 upon x. Tan inverse x equals to cot inverse 1 upon x, and cot inverse x equals to tan inverse 1 upon x. So student, whenever your requirement ke taking inverse, so sin inverse x, the inverse part is cosec inverse 1 upon x. Same way, cosec inverse x is given and you want sin inverse, so cosec inverse x equal to sin inverse 1 upon x, like this: sin, cosec, cos, sec, tan and cot. Now the third property is identity. The third property is identity. And what is the identity over here? So sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. From this one identity there is 2. What is 2 identity happen? That is sin inverse x. So pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Same way, cos inverse x equals to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. So the main identity is sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2, and from this identity sin inverse x equals to and cos inverse x equals to obtain. Now same identity over here, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2, and from this ऐसे ही हमको दूसरी दो आइडेंटिटी मिल सकती है, cot inverse x and tan inverse x. Same way, sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x equals to pi by 2, and from this हमको वापस दो मिल सकता है, sec inverse x and cosec inverse x. This is the identity of inverse trigonometry function. Student, ફોર્મ્યુલામાં કમાન્ડ હોવી જોઈએ, મેથડ્સમાં કમાન્ડ હોવી જોઈએ. Sum doesn't important over here. અગર મેથડ આવડે છે, ફોર્મ્યુલા આવડે છે તો કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ નથી. Now most important formula in inverse trigonometry function is sum of two inverse, that is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. And tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Student, આપણે રેગ્યુલર ક્લાસીસમાં એક રૂલ બનાવ્યો હતો કે whenever there is addition or subtraction in inverse trigonometry function, then addition or subtraction આપણે always tan inverse ના ફોર્મમાં કરીશું. અલગ-અલગ રેફરન્સ બુકમાં અલગ-અલગ રીતે રિપ્રેઝેન્ટ કરેલ છે, બટ આપણે એક રૂલ બનાવ્યો હતો કે whenever there is something addition over here, cos inverse x plus sin inverse x, this related આવો કોઈ સમ કરવાનો હોય તો બીજું કશું નહીં કરવાનું, cos અને sin ને tan inverse માં કન્વર્ટ કરો by little triangle and make this formula. Now what is this formula? This formula depend on the condition whenever xy less than 1, multiply x and y which is less than 1, then tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, that is tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Whenever multiplication of xy is greater than 1, then same question and the answer is pi plus tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Whenever the multiplication of xy equals to 1, then the formula is pi by 2. So whenever tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, there is a 3 condition, there is a 3 answer. So condition is must over here. Now this is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, that is tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. So this is the formula, this is the basic of second chapter trigonometry inverse. When you know the table 0 to 90 degree, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, with the help of that table, with the help of little triangle, opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse, and with the help of this formula, in of minus, inverse, identity, and addition of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, with the help of this formula, with the help of table 0 to 90 degree and little triangle, second chapter એ scoring chapter proof થાય છે. એના પર dependent sum, એના પર dependent different type of sum, or how to find the varieties of the sum, એ આપણે આપણા revision videos ની અંદર જોઈશું. Now student, cos inverse minus 1 upon root 2. Cos inverse minus 1 upon root 2. First satisfy minus according to formula. So the formula is pi minus cos inverse 1 upon root 2. That is pi minus pi by 4. The answer is 3 pi by 4. तो सबसे पहले आपको अगर ऑफ में माइनस है तो वो ऑफ के माइनस को सिंप्लीफाई करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू फॉर्मूला, लाइक दिस पाई माइनस कॉस इनवर्स 1 अपॉन रूट 2, देन सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू एंड ऑब्टेन आंसर. नाउ tan inverse tan 7 pi by 6. There are 12 formula, tan inverse of tan x, tan of tan inverse x, etc. First of all, tan inverse of tan x, x belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. तो whatever given ये उसको satisfy नहीं कर रहा है. So tan inverse tan, this is pi plus pi by 6. Now over here this is tan inverse, third quadrant, tan positive, function never change, tan pi by 6. Now this value satisfy the condition, so the answer is pi by 6. This is the important objective over here. Now tan inverse of something, cos inverse of something, sec inverse of something means outside inverse, inside there is something x term. Outside inverse, inside there is something x term, or there is something different thing. So what is the logic over here? Whatever given in the off term, tan inverse of, suppose the given x, so tan inverse સાથે tan આવે. Something, suppose something x, કે ભાઈ tan inverse અગર outside છે તો inside આપણાને tan વાળું કંઈક આપણાને મળે. So now over here when we suppose x equals to tan theta over here, so it is tan inverse under root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. So this is tan inverse 1 plus tan square यानी sec square, root means sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Now this sec theta, tan theta convert in terms of sine and cos. So outside tan inverse, inside there must be a tan. So in this type of particular sum, okay, whenever outside tan inverse, whenever outside sec inverse, whenever outside sine inverse, and inside there is something x or there is something y or there is something. So whatever something, you will suppose that something કે ભાઈ બહાર અગર tan inverse છે તો અંદર tan વાળું ટર્મ્સ મળે, બહાર અગર sin inverse છે તો inside sin વાળું મળે. તો આ ટાઈપના સમ પણ એક ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ सम्स છે. રેગ્યુલરમાં આપણે ફોર્સફુલી એને એપ્લાય કરાવ્યું છે, એના પર પ્રોપરલી ફોકસ આપણે કરવાનું છે. Now sum like this fourth. Cos inverse 12 by 13 plus sin inverse 3 by 5 equals to sin inverse 56 by 65. Now sum like this, addition or subtraction of inverse. Addition and subtraction of inverse. Now this sum handle with property number 4, tan inverse x plus or minus tan inverse y. So in that case, apply little triangle. In that case, apply little triangle. According to cos formula, 12 over here, 13 over here, and 5 over here. According to sine, 3 over here, 5 over here. According to triplet, it is 4. Now from this little triangle, this is tan inverse. This is tan inverse 5 by 12 plus tan inverse 3 by 4. Now apply formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Your answer obtained in terms of tan. Now in the terms of tan, once again draw a little triangle, set up triplet and obtain whatever sine inverse, cos inverse means. Little triangle is very important over here for this type of sum. Now sum number 5. Very important, solve the given equation. Solve the given equation. In this equation, just whatever given, whatever type of equation is given, just try to reduce. Just try to reduce whatever inverse term is given over here. Here 2 times tan inverse something, tan inverse something. So apply trigonometry inverse formula and first of all try to reduce that inverse. Now after reduce inverse from the given equation, obtain the value of x. I said value of x. If this value of x satisfy the given condition, if the value of x satisfy the given condition, you can't say given condition, but the obtained value x which satisfy the given equation, then that x is called solution of the given equation. Once again solve the equation માં સૌથી પહેલા આપણે whatever inverse given, it is in tan inverse form or it is in sine inverse form or it is in cos inverse form, each and every આપણે regular classes માં count કરેલું જ છે. So first of all try to reduce inverse form. After reducing inverse form, the value of x obtained over here, this value of x satisfy the given equation, then that value is called the solution of the given equation. Now sum like this 6. Sum like this 6. Very important sum due to inverse trigonometry function. Inverse trigonometry function. This is the very important sum. Now in this sum, tan inverse under root 1 plus sine, 1 minus sine, 1 plus sine, 1 minus sine. Apply 1 plus sine in the terms of 1 sine square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. In the place of sine, 2 sine x by 2 cos x by 2 and make perfect square. Now this perfect square expand with the help of condition. This perfect square expand by the condition, and whenever in outside tan inverse inside tan लाने का ट्राई करो. अगर वो tan इनवर्स आ जाता है, अगर tan इनवर्स आउटसाइड है और इनसाइड हमारे पास tan का फॉर्म आ जाता है, तो tan एंड tan इनवर्स रिड्यूस होके जो हमारा रिक्वायर्ड आंसर है वो मिलेगा. इन शॉर्ट सेकंड चैप्टर स्मॉल चैप्टर છે, એમાં નંબર ઓફ વેરાયટીઝ નથી, ફોર્મ્યુલા લિમિટેડ છે. સો સેકન્ડ ચેપ્ટર આપણા એક્ઝામમાં જેટલા પણ માર્ક્સનું આવે એ સ્કોરિંગ પ્રૂફ થઈ શકે. થોડો એફર્ટ કરવાની જરૂર છે, થોડો હાર્ડવર્ક કરવાની જરૂર છે, તો સેકન્ડ ચેપ્ટરમાં આપણે આરામથી સ્કોર કરી શકીએ છીએ.